Today, we're going to change improper fractions into mixed numbers. But first of all, what is an improper fraction? An improper fraction is when my numerator is larger than my denominator. So 6/4 would be an improper fraction. The top is bigger than the bottom. When that happens, you cannot leave that fraction that way. So what we're going to do today, ladies and gentlemen, we are going to learn how to draw a picture to change it over into a mixed number. First of all, our fraction tells us everything that we need to know about our drawing. The denominator, our 4, tells us how many pieces to put in our shape. How many pieces to put in our shape. Now, it is a 4. So we have to cut our rectangle or square into 4 pieces. The top number, the numerator. 6 is our numerator. The 6 tells us how many pieces to color. How many pieces that we need to color. Okay, so when we draw this picture, we're actually going to have to draw more than one shape. We're actually going to draw 2 squares with 4 pieces. 1, 2, 3, 4. Always check behind yourself when you draw that picture to make sure it has the exact number of pieces in it. Now, draw another square and cut it into 4 pieces. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. We're moving on to the second step. The second step is we need to start coloring. We're going to color 6 pieces. We're going to start in the first square, then we will move on to the second square until we have 6 pieces colored. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The next step, you already know how to do. We're going to write a mixed number for the picture that you see right here. So we count our whole shapes. We have 1 whole square colored all the way. So we're going to put a whole number 1 up in front. Now we're going to concentrate on this last square and we're going to write a fraction for him. So we have 1, 2 pieces colored out of 1, 2, 3, 4. So 6/4 is equal to 1 and 2/4. 6/4 is the same thing as 1 and 2/4. Now, let's move on. Let's do another picture. This time, we're going to have 13/8. Again, that's an improper fraction because our top number is larger than our bottom number. Our numerator is bigger than our denominator. Okay? So, we're going to cut our shape into 8 pieces. That's how many pieces we're going to cut our shape into when we draw him. We are going to color 13. So let's draw a rectangle. I'm going to cut him down the middle first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. My rectangle has 8 pieces. Remember, we have to draw more than one shape to illustrate this improper fraction. So I need to draw another rectangle and cut it into 8 slices or 8 pieces as well. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. So I have my 2 shapes. Now we're ready to start coloring. We're going to color 13 pieces. Start in the first rectangle and continue until you have 13 pieces colored in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. All right, we have colored in 13/8. Now let's change our improper fraction into a mixed number. So looking at this picture down here, we have 1 whole, so we're going to write a big 1 up in front. Now we're going to write the fraction for the last shape. So we're just focusing right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 pieces are colored out of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 13/8 is the same thing as 1 5/8.